Alright, welcome to the Back to Basics Beach Kitchen. Oh, there's a tiger shark just here, and there's cobia that have peeled off towards the girls. Brad's gonna take like a shot, I reckon. Closer, a bit closer. Alright guys, this is super exciting. We're exploring a new stretch of coastline. As you can see behind me here, it's like turquoise, clear water, white sandy beach. What we're doing, we're just driving along looking for a dark shadow offshore, which hopefully is reef, and we're gonna gear up and go spearfishing. Out here behind me, a couple hundred meters offshore, looks like there's a reef patch, so we're going to fully gear up, spearfishing gear, and go and see if we can't catch some lunch. We'll see you in there.
Hello, I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, they don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes.
Good job, that's a big one, eh? Yeah, perfect. Yeah! Vulture droper. We're gonna have a hell of a feast for lunch. Red cray and vulture groper. How good's this, eh? This is what we ended up with today. It's so cool to be able to swim off the beach like that and catch your own food. This guy was the one I was really excited about, a ball-chin groper. They look a lot like a black spot tuskfish, which you get on the east coast. We're gonna do a bit of a fillet up here and then have one hell of a lunch. And this is the final product all ready for lunch. We've got that ball-chin groper fillet, crayfish tail, and the wings. Check out those wings. There's so much meat on that, and coming straight off the bone, that's some of the tastiest meat you can get. So we're gonna go inside, do a bit of a cook up here. I don't know where I'd start. These are all 10 out of 10 eating, so let's go get into them. All right, and that is the final product for our lunch. Crayfish and ball chin grouper. For me, this is as good as it gets. What it's all about. Catching your own food, cooking it up fresh like that is so good. Can you tell me how it is, Fran?
I can tell you it's pretty good.
It looks pretty good.
Hello, moon. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know.
We're doing a bit of a road trip. So I've got the car loaded full of fishing gear, camping gear, spearing gear. Let's go get back to basics. All right, we found a spot here that's got some nice clear water. We're gonna jump in and see if we can catch anything for lunch. Hey Fran! Woo, we got a Western red! All my mates from WA reckon these guys are the best eating crayfish in the country. Today I'm going to find out. Just going to take the tail meat out of him. Alright, and that's what we're going to be having for lunch. I'm going to cut him down the middle, split him open, a little bit of garlic on top, cooked on the pan. There you have, just like you'd find at a restaurant. About 1 kilo worth of cray tail meat. Alright, let's take him up to the kitchen. Alright, while we're getting lunch ready, looks like Fran's heading out to catch dinner. There's a couple of bommies and like fringing reef around here, and it's so clear you can see it from where we are. So she's gonna head out and have a look. You never know, she might come back with some dinner. For lunch today, we're gonna do sweet potato chips and crayfish. So just chop one of those sweet potatoes up fine. It'll end up looking something like that. There we are. These little gas mates are so convenient. Pull them out wherever you are, turn them on, and they fire out a fair bit of heat. So we'll let this pan heat up, throw a bit of oil on him. In go your chips. I guess there's a fine line between back to basics and being completely unprepared, and I think we're sort of treading that line today. We've got a sweet potato and we've had to catch our own protein, which is a crayfish, but other than that we're pretty limited. Apart from one key ingredient that's going to come out when that crayfish goes on. Tell you what, these would almost cook just putting them on the rocks, eh? It's so hot today. Alright, now the star of the show. The crayfish going straight on there. We just gave him a light garlic dusting as well, so you can smell that. That smells so good. That's him done. Alright, turned him off. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to flip him over. Let him cool down. The hardest thing now is keeping my sticky fingers off this until it cools down, but a couple of minutes and that is going to be ready to go. How good? The crayfish caught just out there and some sweet potato chips for lunch. This is living. What do you reckon, Fran? Get into it?
Mmm.
How is it? Oh wow. It's really good, eh? That is so good. That little bit of garlic over the top has given it that sort of crunchy, burnt look, although the flavour is 10 out of 10. It's so nice. Mate, how bloody lucky are we? With everything crazy going on in the world at the moment, you can come to a place like this, swim off the beach, crystal clear water, catch your own crayfish, come back and have a meal like that with your family and friends. This is just, to me, this is what it's all about, and this is living, eh? As good as it gets. And I won't even whinge about doing the dishes. there's a tiger shark just here, and there's cobia that have peeled off towards the girls. Brad's gonna take a shot, I reckon. Get closer, get closer. G'day everyone.
We just wanted to say quickly that Jack and I designed a 2022 limited edition calendar.
We sure have.
Yeah, we put so much effort and love into it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Especially you. That's right guys, and you at home can now pre-order your limited edition calendar. The photos are from season 1 and season 2 of The Great Adventure, which you guys are yet to see, but it's coming very soon.
Yep.
There's some pretty cool things in the calendar. There's like, Fran has shared marine biology facts about the interesting things in the photos. We've also shared some locations. I know you guys are always pestering us for that. So locations of the shots. To pre-order now, we'll leave the link here or in the description and get on it.
Okay. And anything made out of it is gonna go towards the fuel and the boat repairs, the salty dingo.
Yes.
We'll need.
Yeah, you guys will see why we need so many boat repairs in season 2, but that's coming soon, so sit tight. Please order your calendar if you'd like one. If not, enjoy the future episodes. They're coming very soon.
Thanks,
See you guys. Really appreciate it. Thank you.